Hey guys, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to talk about oil here and the direction that I think it's going to head. So now, if you've been following along on these videos I've been doing on oil, you know that I've been calling for a breakout here for a very long time, and I think that it's just now starting to materialize, just now in the very beginning stages. Okay, you might think, oh, well, oil has been heading higher for the last month or so, which is true, but it has not truly broken out yet. And what I mean by a breakout is a massive movement in price. Okay, so first and foremost, we've got a, oops, wrong tool. Beautiful uptrend here. Okay, beautiful uptrend there, and then we've got this downtrend here that we actually just recently broke over. Okay, recently broke over that. I'm going to delete that just so you can see the next line that I'm going to draw better. So the other thing that we just recently did is we broke over this little resistance right there. You can see that we tried to break over it here on this week, but ended up failing and breaking back below, so that is still a resistance level. There's resistance here, 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 here. We finally closed over it. And again, sorry I didn't mention this, but this is the weekly chart for USO. Okay, so every candle represents an entire week of trading. So last week, we closed over the previous, not only the previous week's high, but the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks highs on this day right here. So that really, to me, was the first step, and I alerted oil or USO long dated calls on that, and now we're getting more confirmation. Another green weekly candle. Okay, we closed at the previous week's high. Okay, higher than we did the previous week. So we're breaking out of this little tight range. Okay, the next resistance level is still just above us. Okay, and this is going to be the real confirmation. I do think this is enough confirmation. As I stated, we're already long here at thetradinganalyst.com, but to me the real breakout is going to start when we close over essentially this week's highs. So this week's highs was 1263. So a weekly close over 1263 I think is going to be the signal here that sends oil much higher. So as you can see, oil has been trading essentially sideways here, okay, in this very tight range. Okay, notice how this is not sideways trading. This is a trend. This is a trend, okay, but this is not really a trend. It's just going up and down and up and down and up and down, okay, sideways trading. When you have sideways trading, it builds up energy for the next move, all right? We're just now peeking our head outside of that range, and I think that this can get very explosive. All right, very explosive. I want to show you a similar time, and I discussed this my prior oil video, but a prior instance, we had a very tight range right here for oil. Boom, 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 boom. We broke out of it right here, and you can see this huge move happened for the next couple of months. All right, so very nice action. I think it's very similar. As you can see, tight range. Here it is again, tight range. Here's a tight range over there. We broke out of it, and we headed to much higher prices. We're doing the same thing right now for oil, and I think that this is literally just the beginning. I don't think it's too late to get in. I think that oil is going to head much higher. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at on oil. Just to summarize: tight range, breakout, downtrend line, breakout, uptrend line right here. Okay, and we're now peeking our head over all of these resistance levels. So what you're looking at right now is the results here of all of the alerted trades that I've alerted to subscribers here at thetradinganalyst.com. All of the alerts are texted out to clients here at thetradinganalyst.com with exact entry and exit prices. You can see here that the average win here is 50%. The average loss is about 33%. These are mostly options trades. About 85% are options trades, and about 10 to 15% are stock trades. The average length of the trade is 9 days. Okay, so that means that these are swing trading alerts, and they're perfect for if you have a full-time job, you're a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, or a student, or just live a normal, busy life like the rest of us. You're going to be able to participate in these trades because we're not running a day trading chat room or anything like that. We're texting you these alerts, and these are swing trades that last an average of 9 days each. The average win here is more than double the size of the average loss on a dollar-based value. Okay, and we do that. We're able to do this because we focus on not only giving you exact buy and sell prices, but we recommend position sizing as well and how much money to risk on each trade, because we're not risking the same on each trade. Some of our trades are really high confidence trades, and we're putting 2 to 3 times our normal position size on those trades. Conversely, on our lower confidence trades, we're putting less money at risk. Okay, and this is how we remain very profitable, which brings me to my next point here, is that the total gains here right here are $315,000 here, and that's following all of the trades, the wins, the losses, the break-even trades. Everything gets factored in here on those wins. Okay, so if you would like to make consistent returns in the market, and this is, sorry, I didn't mention this. This is over the last 18 months. $315,000 is how long we've been using this portfolio tracker. So if you'd like to make consistent returns, we're not just talking about a good trade here or there, a good week or a good month. We're talking about majority of months are winning months, majority of quarters are winning quarters, and every year is a winning year. If you'd like to make consistent returns on a long-term basis, then I highly encourage you to sign up and join today, and I'll start sending you these alerts right away and hopefully putting money in your pocket. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I look forward to helping you grow your account on a consistent basis. I'll see you in there.